I have been following Mahesh Chandra Kaushik sir ETF shop strategy for more than 2 years. I've started with 20 DMA where any ETF falling below 20 DMA we should buy. Then there was an update that whenever the ETF is very near to its 52 week low, then we should buy that ETF. So I have tried both the strategies. I was started with 20 DMA and then moved to 52 week low. Okay. And the annual XIRR as of now is coming around 9% for my shop. Okay, which is not bad at all. But what I've seen is that whenever there is a bull market, that is bull run in the Nifty 50 or in the overall market, then this strategy is not outperforming the market. It is somewhat okay. But when there is a bear market, this strategy is outperforming the market. We know that there is no way to time the market. So that's why I am continuing the strategy. But what I have done is I have changed my strategy a bit. Instead of only ETF, I am combining ETF and Nifty 50 stocks. I have also done the backtest of both the results and I will show you the results in some time. So let's go through the strategy once. I have created a list of top ETF per asset plus Nifty 50 stocks so that we will buy a mix of ETFs and Nifty 50 stocks. So the strategy is we will buy one ETF or Nifty 50 stocks every day which is near to its 52 week low. Okay, which is the lowest, we will buy that. We will sell the ETF or Nifty 50 stocks once it reaches above 3.14% target with profit trailing. So what does profit trailing means? That say for example, if ETF and Nifty 50 stocks has reached 3.14, we will not sell. We will not sell until and unless that stock has fall on that day. So the next is we will buy the bought ETF and Nifty 50 stocks if it has fallen by over 5%, only if we don't have any new ETF or Nifty 50 stocks to buy. For selling, we will trail the profit after 3.14%, and if ETF or Nifty 50 stocks has gone down on any day, we will sell it. So say for example, I have a stock which has attained 3.14%, but it is continuing to rise to 5%, 6%, 10% also. And at any point of day, if it has fallen by more than 0.1%, then we will sell that stocks. We will sell all the ETF Nifty 50 stocks which has attained the 3.14% and has fallen on that particular day. So for example, if I have 4 or 5 stocks to sell on particular day, I will sell it. But for buying, I will only buy one ETF or stocks. Okay. So now this is the top ETF per top script per asset where we have this ETF code. What is the underlying asset? We will only have one ETF per underlying asset. What is the volume, current market price, 52 week low, and current market price distance from 52 week low. So this we have found, this table we have created. Along with that, we have also the Nifty 50 stocks. As you can see, Asian Paint, Adani Enterprise, Cipla, and everything we have. Okay, till this Wipro. Now, we will get this term top 20 ETF to buy based on percentage change 52 week low versus current market price. So it will show you which ETF or stocks to buy. So for example, the Tata Motors is in the top. So we will be buying it, okay, whenever the market opens. And it will also show if any script I have already have in my bought script. So do you hold it? Yes. And then top 5 bought ETF status. What is the current market distance from 52 week low, whatever we have already bought. Okay. So then there is a bought script where we will be giving the buy date whenever we are buying. What is the script code? What is the underlying asset? What is the buy price, buy quantity? And this all will automatically get calculated. Then we will also have this currently invested. What is the current value? What is the profit and loss? And what is the profit and loss percentage? Now, say for example, if we have that profit and loss percentage above 3.14, then, and if it has fallen, that is changed today, if it is more than 0.1%, then what we will be doing is we will be copying that script and putting it in the sold script. Okay, and we will be giving the sell date, sell price, what is the brokerage plus income tax I have to pay, and what is the total investment till date. Then this will automatically calculate, as well as this will also get calculated. Okay, then we will know what is the approx analyzed we are getting. Okay, so ETF master link is the master link which we have got from the NSE websites. So this I have created to calculate the top ETF per asset. Okay. Now let me go through the backtest results. Okay. So the number one backtest result is I have done a ETF shop plus Nifty 50 unlimited money. So I have started my ETF shop journey from 10th August 2023. So then I have also run this backtest in these 2 years itself, so that I wanted to know how my shop has performed and then how this backtest is performing. Based on that, I can figure out which is the best strategy to continue with, right? So this is the bot script. Okay, and this is till October 15th I have tried, 2025, October 15, 2025 I have tried. So when we have unlimited money, right? So this is the result, that the sum of profit amount is around 2,57,000. Okay, but the maximum of investment amount went up to 11,32,000. But we have said that we have a total capital of 5 lakh. Okay, but since I have told unlimited money, then that means I will be putting more money whenever I have to buy more. So in this way, if you see that I have at one point of time I have invested 11 lakh 32,000. Okay. So then if I do this, the approx annualized I am getting as 8.6%. So which is again not good, and it is the same as that of mine now, that is ETF shop. Now the next is backtest 2 result. When I have calculated this backtest including ETF shop plus Nifty 50 when I have limited money. So limited money means that if I have exhausted my total capital, I will not be buying any stocks, and I will only buy when I will sell it and I have that money with me. That's what the limited money means. Okay. So when I have calculated this, if you see, the sum of profit amount is 1,92,000. Max of investment amount is 6,54,000. So why 6,54,000? Why? Because the profit amount I have reinvested. So that's why if you see, it has gone up to 6,54,000 itself, not more than that. But and through this, if you see, the approx analyzed is 12.22%, which is again very good percentage if you see. And as you can see, I have both Nifty 50 as well as ETF. Okay, so I have this ITC, I have Grow EV, everything. Okay, the third backtest result is, I wanted to check if I've started with the same 52-week low from the starting 10th August 2023, how it would have been performed, right? And it also with the limited money. So when I have calculated this, this is the bot script, and when I have calculated this, what I have got is the approx analyze is 10.66%. The sum of profit amount is 1,71,000, and the max invested is 6,41,000. Is it same that of the that okay, this one is not backtest of ETF shop. This is only ETF shop. Okay, ETF shop limited money. As you can see, I have only ETF, no stocks. So I have got 10.66%, which is again not bad, and it is better than the 9% which I have got. If we would have continued with 52-week low from the starting, then we would have got 10.66%. So now what the strategy which I am following as of now is the ETF plus Nifty 50, and I am using both. I am buying both, whatever is the lowest. Like say for example, if the ETF has lowest, I will buy that, or if the Nifty 50, any stock on the Nifty 50 is lowest, I will be buying that. So now why Nifty 50 and not Nifty 100 or Nifty 250 or Nifty 500 stocks? Why? Because Nifty 50 is almost stable. Okay, we will not get too much ups and downs. Yeah, there are ups and downs. Like if you see the Asian Paint, if you see, there are 3 scripts of Asian Paints which I have, and a lot of negative in this Asian Paint I have. Okay, but this is fine, because sometimes if the Asian Paint goes up, I can sell it. But say for example, if there is a mid cap fund or a small cap fund which will continue to fall, then uh, getting a recovery of that stock is very hard. This ETF SOP plus Nifty 50 with limited money is the better option than the other two. So I am continuing to invest in this and see how it goes in the next year. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights like this. Thank you.